All right. Math question 9. Thank goodness we're getting to the end of these, right? So C1 times V1 equals C2 times V2. You have 50 milliliters of 2% lidocaine on your back table. The circulator dispenses 1 milliliter of 1 to 1,000 epinephrine into the lidocaine. What is the concentration of the epinephrine in the mixture? So in that mixture that you have on your back table. So our concentration that the circulator has is 1 to 1,000 times 1 milliliter. And then what we're wanting to know is the concentration on our back table. So we've got C2, and we have 50 milliliters. So this is 50 milliliters of 2% lidocaine. Here again, we're looking for the epi concentration, so we're not concerned with the 2%. So with the 50 milliliters, we've only added 1 milliliter to it of the epi, so that does not really substantively change it from being 2%. So it's not making a big difference there, but it is important that we know that we have a correct or a reasonable epi concentration. So we want to know what we have on the back table so we can report that to our surgeon when we pass a syringe with this local in it. So we've got 1 to 1,000 over times the 1, so 1 to 1,000 times 1 is going to be 1 to 1,000 equals C2 times 50. So then we're going to divide both sides by 50. So C2 will be 1 to 1,000, and we can flip this 50 over 1 and multiply it. Since to divide that fraction, it will now be 1 over 50. Oops, excuse me. I was getting carried away with my zeros there. All right, equals C2. And so we've gotten rid of that. And so C2 is going to be 1 over 1,000 times 1 over 50. So C2 equals 1 over 50,000. Let me clean that up a bit. 50,000. And so that means our C2, our epi, is 1 to 50,000. So what we have on our back table, and that's a common concentration for our 2% because it is a little bit stronger, so that means that we have 50 milliliters of 2% lidocaine with epi 1 to 50,000 on our back table. And we draw that up and when we pass that to the doctor, we need to be able to tell them that we are giving them 2% lidocaine with epi 1 to 50,000, and that's how you would figure that.